In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your date and time settings on your PC. So there are also situations whereby you hop on there and you'll not be able to change your date and time. You're not going to find that selected option. I'm going to show you guys how to correct all the mistakes and everything. So now let's come here and now let's search date and time. So you can see that's the first search result here. Now let's tap on it and let's move to settings. So you can see in my case I can find a change here. So let's say my date and time is not correct. You can see this is 8 here. Let me do it 9, and now let me change it. Good. And you can see here is 9. So now let me change it back to the correct time, which is 8 a.m. and now let me save it. And then if you have the correct time zone, you can select this option here if you have the correct time zone. So the problem I was talking about is you hop on here and you're not going to find this change option here. So what you need to do is come here. Good. And then you select your country, your correct country. So right now this is my correct country. At first it was on US, and that's why I was not getting the change. So you select this, then you come back. So after that selection, when you come here, you should find this change option, and then you can change it to the correct time, and then you save it. So if you have a correct time zone too, you can use the automatic set of time, and then you're going to get it correct. So that's it on how you can change your date and time on your PC. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.